These are the top 5 crypto coins that I am all in on and that I plan to hold forever. Now, these are very high risk, high reward still, even at the time of this recording. But if you want to know what these hidden gems are, make sure to share this video with one friend who is also interested in crypto, because in the last bull run, I turned $10,000 into more than 1.4 million investing in crypto, and most people have no idea what they're talking about, but I believe I do, and I also have the proof to show it. Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Joe. If you like money and if you like crypto, hit the subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell to be notified when we publish new videos. They are very time sensitive and you're not going to want to miss out. Also, please understand that everything I say in this video is not financial advice. These videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only. And full disclosure, we do hold the cryptocurrencies that will be discussed in today's video. And if this video gets to 10,000 likes, I'll do a massive special giveaway for our community. So let's smash up that like button and let's get started. Now, your very first coin in today's list has to be Bitcoin, and there are several reasons to be bullish. First, institutional adoption has continued to increase from large institutional investors like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and other large financial firms like BlackRock. This suggests growing confidence in Bitcoin as a store of value and a hedge against inflation. Now, second, Bitcoin's digital gold narrative. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold because of its scarcity. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin in production, and right now supply is shrinking right before our eyes. And Bitcoin's potential to serve as a safe haven during the times of economic uncertainty or inflation is a huge value proposition. Now, third, the mainstream acceptance. More businesses and platforms are accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment as well as being used in our everyday lives, and these high-profile companies like PayPal, Square, and many others are just the beginning. Now, another reason why I am going to be holding Bitcoin forever is because of its halving events. Bitcoin supply is halved approximately every 4 years, reducing the rate in which new coins are minted. Historically, these halving events have led to significant price increases due to reduced supply. And that's not all. Tokenization and DeFi integration is happening on Bitcoin, and as decentralized finance platforms grow, Bitcoin may play a significant role in the tokenization of financial ecosystems. Now, there's a lot more that I could talk about with Bitcoin, but truth of the matter is, this cryptocurrency, the number one in the land, the king asset, I believe is here to stay, and it's why I believe in this crypto in the very long term. I'm talking 5, 10, 15, 20 years down the line. I believe this will continue to increase in value because that's exactly what it's done. Today, at the time of this recording, you can see Bitcoin is sitting at $97,000, almost a $2 trillion market cap. And in just 11 years, Bitcoin is up hundreds of thousands of percent. Now, I also wanted to say congratulations to our VIP students who ended up buying Bitcoin when we did at $16,000 all the way back in the bear market. Our $5,000 investment is now up 5 times, over 500%. So if you're interested in learning how and why I buy these cryptocurrency assets, click the links down below and join us in VIP. So for all of those reasons, it's your number one all-in crypto coin. Now, your second coin has to be the smashing of the like button altcoin. No, I'm just kidding, but thank you for all of your support. Let's get this video to over 1,000 likes. Thank you again. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm. Now, here are several factors for your number 2 coin, and that has to be Ethereum. Now, Ethereum is the leading platform for smart contracts, which enable decentralized applications and automated agreements without the need for intermediaries, fostering innovation in multiple industries. Number 2, their DeFi ecosystem. Ethereum is the backbone of decentralized finance, hosting the majority of DeFi projects today. As DeFi continues to grow, Ethereum's role as the primary platform for these applications strengthens its long-term value proposition. NFTs and digital ownership. Ethereum is also a dominant blockchain for non-fungible tokens, powering the growth of the digital art collectibles market. The increasing adoption of NFTs on Ethereum drives demand to the network. Also, you have things like meme coins, as well as many other crypto projects that are building on top of Ethereum. Next, Ethereum 2.0 proof of stake transition. Ethereum transitioned from proof of work to proof of stake with its 2.0 upgrade. This now improves scalability, security, and efficiency and is positioning Ethereum for future growth. Ethereum's new ETF also has institutional interest. Ethereum has gained increasing interest from institutional investors like large enterprises, and you can see that they're going to continue to bid this crypto asset. They also have some of the best and biggest developer activity. Ethereum is one of the largest and most active developer communities in the blockchain space. This ensures continued innovation and improvement, fostering confidence in long-term success. And there are many other factors that I believe are going to lead Ethereum, your number one altcoin, into the future of even more potential upside. Security and decentralization, staking and yield generation, layer 2 solutions, global financial infrastructure, and growing ecosystem of dApps are just some of the reasons why I am very bullish on Ethereum. Today, though, the price is only at $2,000 and a market cap of $300 million. You can see, though, it has continued to go up and to the right, and from the all-time high of this crypto, still down 45%, but the all-time low sitting at 43%, this crypto coin is up hundreds of thousands of percent as well over the last 9 years, and overall, the trend has continued to climb up and to the right. I also wanted to say congratulations again to our VIP community. We ended up buying Ethereum at $1,100, up over 134% for a profit and loss of over $3,000. So do click those links down below to join us in VIP for more cryptocurrency trades like this, which is why Ethereum is your number 2 coin. Now, your number 3 coin is one I've been holding for many years, and that is XRP. Now, XRP is designed to facilitate fast, low-cost cross-border payments, making it an attractive solution for global remittance market, which is a multi-trillion-dollar industry. They've also have some of the biggest partnerships with financial institutions. XRP has established partnerships with major financial institutions such as Sandtrader, SBI Holdings, and PNC, which increases its credibility and utility in the traditional finance world. Now, third, RippleNet, Ripple's global payment network, uses XRP as a bridge currency to facilitate faster and cheaper international transfers. This enhances XRP's adoption as a tool for liquidity management in financial systems. The speed and cost of XRP, also known for its transaction speed settling in just 3 to 5 seconds and low transaction costs, typically less than a fraction of a cent, makes it very appealing for businesses as well as retail for efficient payment solutions. XRP also has strong market liquidity. XRP is one of the largest market capitalizations among cryptocurrencies, providing strong liquidity, which is critical for institutional and retail investors alike. They also have a strong amount of partners, growing developer ecosystem, partnerships with central banks, and international expansion. XRP is not limited to just the US or any specific region. Its use in international markets, especially like Asia, Europe, and Latin America, positions it as a globally adopted solution and a massive crypto asset. XRP has also exploded here as of recently, trading literally at 50 cents for quite a while, now going all the way as high as $2.38. The market cap is over 139 billion, and you can see from its all-time low over 10 years ago, XRP is up over 89,000%. I also wanted to say congratulations to you here on the YouTube channel. We ended up buying XRP at 50 cents. Today, we're up over $300 on a simple $100 investment. We ended up buying this all the way back in June of 2023. But again, a simple $100 investment is now up over 383%. So make sure to subscribe here to the YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell for daily videos like this, outlining and sharing with you when we buy and sell new crypto assets. This market is very volatile. You're not going to want to miss out. Now, your number 4 crypto coin that I am personally all in on and holding forever has to be Solana. Now, Solana is known for its high scalability, capable of handling over 65,000 transactions per second, significantly more than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, this makes Solana well suited for large-scale applications and being able to handle high throughput in a decentralized ecosystem. The second thing Solana is really known for is its low transaction fees. Solana offers very low transactions, often a fraction of a cent, which makes it a very attractive option for the developers and users. Also, the very fast transaction speed that Solana has, incredibly fast block times. This is around 400 milliseconds. This rapid speed makes it ideal for real-time applications, including decentralized finance and gaming. Also has a growing ecosystem. Solana has rapidly grown in DeFi, NFTs, and recently meme coins. We are seeing literally tens of thousands of meme coins being launched on Solana on pump.fun, and this has been absolutely massive for the Solana blockchain as well as its adoption. It's also very developer friendly, has strong backing from institutional investors, interoperable, and has a robust security. There are many other reasons why I believe that Solana is going to continue to do well. The fact that it is fast, easy to use, has massive partnerships, strong leadership, and continues to climb the ranks is why I see Solana heading up to $2 to $4 to maybe even $500 this cycle. Today it's sitting at a $900 million market cap, and this coin has continued to make new highs and new highs. One of the only cryptocurrencies that's actually made new all-time highs. Now, from its all-time low, Solana is up over 40,000% in the last 5 years. And you can see it's only down 30% from its all-time high of over $293. Now, your number 5 coin has to be Dogecoin. Now, Dogecoin is certainly the highest risk of all of the cryptocurrencies, and it is the lowest market cap, and it is a meme coin. But here are some reasons to be bullish on Doge and why I am going to be holding this forever. First, it has one of the strongest community supports in crypto. Dogecoin has one of the most loyal and active communities in the cryptocurrency space. The community-driven narrative of Dogecoin has led to widespread adoption and grassroots marketing. Number 2, they have celebrity endorsement. High-profile endorsers like Elon Musk have helped bring significant attention to Dogecoin. Musk support has certainly driven price surges, and this is what we've seen recently. Low transaction fees. Dogecoin offers low transaction fees compared to other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, making it an attractive choice for small transactions and micropayments, including tipping and donations. It also has very fast transactions. Dogecoin transactions are processed very quickly, with an average block time of just 1 minute. Now, they do have an inflationary supply model. Unlike Bitcoin's cap supply, Dogecoin has an inflationary supply model with no fixed maximum. This allows for continuous mining, which can make it more accessible for newcomers and also those who want to actually join and get in. You can also see that Dogecoin is a low market entry. Dogecoin's relatively low price compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum, sitting today at a price of only 25 cents, makes it much more attractive for newer investors. The market cap is also sitting at 36 million. And again, this coin has continued to make new highs and new highs. It was right now on a discount at the time of this recording. You can see Dogecoin is up over 287,000% in the last 10 years. And with a strong social media presence, Elon Musk's influence, sustainable cryptocurrency price action, Dogecoin is your 5th coin that definitely has to be on your radar. Now, if you want to buy, sell, or trade any of the cryptocurrencies in today's video, simply click the links down below to Blofin and CoinW. They are both offering massive opportunities for you as a newcomer to get some very sweet trading bonuses. Blofin, you can get up to $100,000 back on your trades, and CoinW is offering very exclusive benefits. So click those links down below. And if you want to learn how I turned $10,000 into $200,000 in just 1 week trading crypto, simply click the links down below for my online course. Many of my students have made massive gains in the last bull run, and many are still continuing to profit. So if you are interested, click those links down below. We'll see you in tomorrow's video.